Okay, sometimes when you install the Remotelock, the code won't work. Here's an example. You can see the handle doesn't engage, although the green light flashed twice. This is usually an alignment issue or some issue with the spindle. So if we turn the rock around and we take this off, the most likely culprit is if the alignment insert has been left on the lock. So the simplest thing to do is to remove the alignment insert. Now, if we try it again, it works. If it hadn't worked, the next step would be to release the 3 screws here and just manually adjust the back plate. The spindle must be at 90 degrees to the door and it must be centered in that hole. And there can't be anything touching or any friction on the spindle. So you've got to make sure that it's completely clear. Then again, we just put the cover back on, screw the screws back on, and the lock should work fine after that.